Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a HyperX Clutch Gladiate RGB controller and you need to do a hard reset or a factory reset on it. This is how you do it. So all you need to do is you need to press and hold the P1, P2, and P3 buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds. And when you do this, the LED power button, the power light LED will flash, and the RGB LEDs will flash red at the same time. Now, in order for this to work, your controller can't be in lightning mode or in programming mode for it to function. But if it's not, it will do the reset. And just to keep in mind, when you do the reset, all of your programmable button mappings in all the different profiles will be erased. And all the lighting settings will be returned to the default settings that they were when they came out of the box, i.e. there will be a solid effect with the red color and the light brightness will be set to the default of 50%. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.